today's economy, a good credit score is essential for achieving financial stability and independence. However, many people find themselves struggling with a low credit score, which can make it difficult to qualify for loans, credit cards, and other financial products. And this can lead to a cycle of financial struggle and frustration, as people are unable to access the credit they need to achieve their goals. At DIY-CreditOptimize.ai, we understand the challenges that you face when dealing with a low credit score. That's why we offer super affordable credit repair services that use AI technology to analyze credit reports and create dispute letter that will help optimize your credit profile. This means that you can focus on the specific actions that will have the greatest impact on their credit score, rather than wasting time and effort on strategies that may not be effective. In addition to providing personalized recommendations, our portal can also help you monitor your progress over time. By tracking changes in your credit score and credit report, you can see the impact of our efforts and make adjustments as needed. So if you're struggling with a low credit score, don't give up hope. Contact us today and let us help you achieve your financial dreams.